Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12. Today student we are going to understand how to use like operator along with select command. So let's begin with the theoretical part first. So here like actually operator which is used to search the value that is similar to specific pattern. So pay the attention here student, is actually used to search a specific pattern. Okay, this pattern in maybe a particular column which contains some kind of wildcard character operator also. There are two type of wildcard operators like percentage and underscore. So the percentage sign represents 0 and multiple characters, and while underscore represent a single number of character. So here our symbol can be used as with the help of combinations. For example, display name that starts with letter A. If it is a question, the command will be select name from student where name like within double quote a percentage. It means to say it will show you only the name of those student whose name starts from A. Here is that is Anujan. Okay, and next one thing, display name those name second letter is O. So in this condition, select name from student where name like within double quote underscore O percent, then double quote will close terminator. So you can see Mohit Sharma and Rohan Sharma. Here is O has come after second letter. Okay, so you can notice one thing, in where clause this like is also used. This is also worked as condition. Here display name whose name has 7 character. So we can count the number of the characters. Okay, so here is select name from student where name like. Here you can see that one underscore line looks like this, but these are combination of 7 underscore. So it will check whether 7 character name in my list or not. If that, so it will give you the name of 7 characters. So do it practically student. How to do that? As you know, you have to open what thing, MySQL command line. So I am directly typing it, and then you can see the command line has been open, and now you have to type here root password. As you know what is the root password, and you know what is my database. So I will directly type use MyDB, that is my database. Now you can see student, this particular table has been come along with some value also. Now student, I am going to perform the same operation. First is this those student name who start from A, character A. So I will say select star from, okay, my table name is student where name like within double quote I will say A percentage, then comma. Now you can see Anujan, Ajit Kumar has come. Okay, next one thing, select star from, you can use the name only also, name from student where name like this one underscore, then A, then percentage. So let's see how many student who has second character A in the name. So you can see Kamal and Ramesh. Okay, and next one thing, we are going to search for O. So select star from student where name like underscore O, then percentage. Here is 0, but I will type here O percentage, double quote close terminator. Now you can see that Mohit and Gopal, there are 2 students are there whose second character O as the name. And now we are going to search for 5 character name of the student in the above student list or student table. So here select star from, table name is student, where name like, within double quote 1 2 3 4 5 double quote close terminator. So here no one is a student whose 5 name character, so I will check if any student. Here you can see that 4 name 1 2 3 4, Anuj is one of the student, so I will type here 5 character command, so 1 2 3 4. So now you can see Anuj has come. So student, according to the like operator, we can search the record or tuple in a pattern basis also. There are two type of wildcard character used, that is underscore and percentage, where underscore is considered as 0 or null, but percentage considered as 0 or null, or where underscore considered as one character. Now we are going to understand what is in operator. In operator actually allow you to specify multiple value in a where clause. Okay, so for example, we can consider display student information whose are in section A and B both. Select star from student where class in A and B. Okay, so here what we are going to do, first of all we will type the same command, select star from student where section in, because I am asking section not the class. Okay, within double quote or single quote A, that's it, only A will show here. You can see only A section. If I will provide here in B also, so all students will come here. Now you can see A and B. Okay, if I am going to just say select star from student where section, in the place of section I will say class in 9th and then 12th. Okay, so now you can see only 9th and 12th class student has come in this particular area. Okay, so student, we have learned how to use particular like operator and in operator. In operator actually used to get a specific list. Okay, suppose that if number of the person are in my record, I am to say table. If I want to search for specific list as per according to the city, as per according to section or class, in that situation I will use in. For example, if I want to search those students who lives in Delhi, Agra and Mumbai. Okay, suppose that these are my student. Okay, so I can directly type select star from student, okay, where city in within round bracket Delhi, Agra and Mumbai. I mean to say comma Mumbai, round bracket close, terminator. After hitting this, you will see only those student list will come whose you mention in list. I hope you understand it, student. Till then, student, thank you and have a nice day.